Good morning, folks. In this video I'd like to show you how I go about turning stainless steel, in this case, as you can see in the chuck here, turning steel in a woodwork lathe. First thing I do to remove the bulk of the metal is using a 1mm cutting disc in the grinder and turn on the lathe. And I'll remove the bulk of the material, cut in lots of small slots actually into the piece of metal itself, which I'll show you. I'll zoom in a little bit better and get in line. There we go. As you can see there, I've got lots of small grooves actually to remove the bulk of the metal. Then what I do, bring the rest into position. I'll show you the tool again. The tool is a beading parting tool, a Henry Taylor's beading parting tool, and it's ground across the face so you have a diamond shape like that. That's what you call a graver. I got the idea off the days of old of Holt's apple, and you grind across the square edge so as you obtain a diamond grind which is at an angle like that. So then, if I can reposition the camera again just so I can actually get in, and you'll see how I remove the metal from those grooves. I can just get in here actually. I think you can see that. You'll see how quickly you can remove metal. It's getting towards the base there, and it'll chatter slightly because the bearings are worn on this lathe. Go for the next disc. Push a little harder and you get these nice streams of slithers come off. This is stainless steel 316, by the way. If you get it at just the right angle, it comes off in lovely streams, as you can see there. Slightly just above centre. And then bring the chisel down and keep it in centre, and that removes the bulk of the metal in just a few seconds. You've got different angles on the graver. You can turn it and obtain different cutting angles. There's one there if I move across to the side here. Then you've got the most acute angle that way. I'm turning here unsupported without a tailstock, and the bearings are actually worn in this machine, so I'm going to get a little bit of chattering. If I put the tailstock up to there, you get half as less. But you can also turn the graver on its side like this and do a skew cut, and you really can shift metal fairly quickly. Just ignore the chattering because I'll file that later to make it smooth. See how I'm doing a skewing cut there, using the very tip, move back a little bit, use the tip again, and try and get rid of those uneven surfaces. Just trial and error. When you're actually turning brass on here, I can actually turn brass quicker than you can on the metalwork there, with it being a lot softer, and it's not as harsh as steel. I'm getting somewhere near now by just judging by eye of what the finished diameter needs to be, about 7mm. So I'm reaching that and getting towards that now. What I'm doing is actually making a spigot to fasten onto this, I'll zoom out slightly, to fasten onto this pink ivory wood handle. It's almost there, so I'll turn it down now till that's a nice slide fit. So what I'm actually making is, fairly recently I made myself a hand engraving chasing hammer out of the same stainless steel bar, and with my custom, it's like a bottle shaped handle, and they really are comfortable in the hand. It's one of the most comfortable shapes I've found over the years. And then what I'm making out of these is some hand engraving chisels basically, and they're held in with a single 5mm Allen key in there, and you've got interchangeable ends. And at the business end where the hammer hits, I've put a little ferrule round and made a slightly proud crown so as it doesn't split at the end. So they should last me out anyway, should last me at least 10 years. So I'm making a set of 3 of those, and a hammer, and I'm going to put them all in a nice leather roll, and I'm going to have a go at doing hand engraving as well as pneumatic engraving. So there's the tools. I've started off at 5.5mm, 4.5, 3.5, and I'll make 4 altogether, and down to a 2.5 for doing the finer work. So that's what I'm up to. So that's how I turn my steel on my woodwork lathe, and it doesn't really take that long, just a few minutes, and you can be down to the desired diameter you need, and ready for another handle. It's almost there now, look, it'll stay on. And so that's what I'm up to at the moment. I've got lots of more exciting videos to come actually. A real treat coming shortly of how to make an engraver's ball vise on a budget, and a ball vise with a difference, as you will see in this next coming week. So that's how I do it, and that's how you could do it. And as per usual, thank you all again for watching. Bye for now.